Welcome to EDU World Space.
Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we would write a function that would convert from milliseconds to hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's define the function. So the function is convert millis, and it takes in an integer. Now we define a variable k that would convert it from the milliseconds to seconds. So we divide the value supplied by the user by 1000 so that the milli part is gone. It's left with the seconds. And now the seconds is the integer part of the k, so that we will not exceed 60. If it's 60, it goes to 0. So we use the modular division. Okay. Then the minute part, we want the integer for the k that is divided by 60. We divide seconds by 60 to get minutes. Then here also we do not want it to exceed 60. Okay, so we use a modular division. The last part is the hours. So go to the integer part of the seconds divided by 60 times 60, so that it converts it from seconds to minutes, then to hours. This one we will not restrict how big it would go. Yeah, so it can be 120 minutes. That translates to 2 hours. Okay, so it can be 30 hours, 40 hours. We will not restrict it to 24 hours. It can go as much as it would, depending on the supply value. Right. So the last but not least, we simply return a format return a formatted string dot format, and here the hours comes first, followed by the minutes, then the seconds. Okay, so that is all we need to do to define the convert millis. Now let's define a main method in order to test whatever we have done. So here the user inputs, but we convert it to integer first. So say enter time in millis. So whatever they have entered becomes the time in milliseconds. Then we push it into, so we print it in the, so we invoke the function convert millis, and we pass in. Okay. The last but not least, we called the main function. Okay, so thanks for your time. This is the end of the lesson.